The flowers come again and upon their branches year after year, and it is a luckily that I take my leave only to come to you again. Now that I have had time to reflected on what I had done yesterday, I realized the pain I must have caused you. I know it want to be easy for you to forgive me, but I request you give me another chance. Let's sit down and have an open conversations about that happened and sort through it to ensure a better future. Please grant me one more opportunities to set things right. I promise to never ask this way again. I am pouring my heart on this piece of paper just so you know how much I love you. I want you to know that I am usually disappointed with myself for the harsh words I used last week. I am extremely sorry for that. I could not get a hold of my emotions and list out at you. Watch I release is unfair to you. I promise I will work on managing my anger better. I seek your forgiveness with utmost honest. My days, nights are uncompleting and dull without talking to you, and this last week has been very hard for my please come back to me. I promise to make everything right for you. The first time we meet, you told me that I was the kindest persons you have ever come across. I am still the same persons I now I extended fleshly the other time day and wish I could take come back the words I never mean to say to you but cannot that, so I will try my best to take it up to you in a conciliatory you manner. I want to promise you that there will be no day for your life when you will not find me by your side. There will no day when I will not be loving you and permitting because you mean the world to me. It is the power of your love and romance that has changed me for good. All the happiness and success that I enjoy today is all because of the love you have showered me with. You are the sun that lights up my world, the fresh breeze in this morning. That makes me up, and the inner voice that comforts